Rotation feature is very useful when editing a video. We can apply it as needed. In this video, I want to make a fake camera rotation effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. For example, I have one video that I downloaded from Pexels. For sequence settings, I use width 1280 and height 720. After the video clip is added to the timeline, we only need to create keyframes for the rotation effect. In the initial keyframe in the rotation section, I change the value to 180 degrees. After that, create a new keyframe. Then return the keyframe value to 0. The video display will of course show the black background on each side when it rotates. To fix this, use the scale feature. Zoom in part of the video until the black background is not visible. Then check it frame by frame. If the background is still visible for a certain duration, then increase the scale value again. It is highly recommended to use footage that has high resolution. To optimize its appearance, use keyframes to scale sections. In the final keyframe of the scale, I'll use the Easy In effect. And here's the result. You can create it according to what is needed. This rotation feature can also be used to change the aspect ratio of the video. For example, in this video clip, which has a landscape mode, to turn it into a portrait mode, we need to create a sequence with a portrait mode. And then, change the rotation value to 90 degrees. That's how to edit a fake camera rotation and change the aspect ratio of the video. And thanks for watching.